Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, y'all been waiting. Hold on. I gotta. Oh my God! Oh my God! It is so bad. Oh, turn around, don't drown, baby. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. It's a fucking river, bro. Oh no, watch this. Don't come this way, bro. Your car's gonna sink. Oh shit, it's hailing. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's fucking hailing. Oh shit. Ah! Hold the door, guys. Oh shit. Look at the truck turn to a boat. It's a pontoon cut. Oh shit. Fuck, that's a lightning in the motherfucking parking lot. Oh, God damn. Man, y'all got me fucked up. Y'all got my whole ass truck out here getting beat up. Look at this fucking wind, bro. Oh, look at him. Oh, shit. Don't do it, bro. Turn around, don't drown. Oh, shit. Bro, it's over the curb. You can't even see the curb no more. God damn, it's hailing like a motherfucker. Oh, my truck getting beat to shit. Help! Oh, goddamn. Oh, it's hit my foot, you motherfucker. Oh, my God. Heavy D's is under a brutal attack. Mother Nature's, oh, she kicking my ass right now. I'm up here trying to do dough so I can give y'all some delicious Thanksgiving pizzas tomorrow. Oh, shit. She's coming in hot. Oh, hey, that's a car, not a boat. Turn around. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, I'm not coming to get you. I am not coming to get you. Oh, your shit's going over the fucking hood. Oh, no. What the fuck? Keep going. Oh, shit. Keep going. Don't hit the gas. Oh, motherfucker. This is some gangster shit going on right now. He lost a bumper. Oh, no. That's a river out there, bro. Southwestern Avenue is now Oklahoma Avenue River. Holy shit. Look, he barely made it. Oh, no. Wow. God almighty. For all you new people, hey, this is the Turnaround Don't Drown. I knew it was going to come one day. Y'all are getting it live action. It just, oh, shit. Look. Look, it's getting calm as hell. Oh, shit. It's getting calm. I don't like that shit. I don't like that shit. What's going on over there? Oh, another one. Slow down. No, don't go that way. Oh, fuck it. Hey, yo, just, hey, keep it going. Just keep going. Oh, no. Someone, oh, look, we got some more people. It's a fucking big truck. Hit the gas, player. Oh, no. Oh my God. These motherfuckers. Y'all don't get it, do you? Look at how deep that shit is. And he read the red light. Get his tag number. I'm turning him in. Fuck it. Fuck the red light. Just go, bro. You're going to be swimming in a minute. Oh, shit. Look at how deep that is, bro. Oh, no. Oh, God, look at it. Hey, turn around. Turn around. Don't drown it over his fucking hood. Oh, you stupid. This motherfucker... There's water where his feet are. Oh, my God. Look. Oh, you guys are crazy, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, look. He ain't even got his lights on. He's trying to be a scuba diver over here, cuz. Check him out. Oh, shit. Scuba Steve, turn around. Turn around, Scuba Steve. Look at this shit. It is a lake. Look, it just stopped raining. Oh, no. What the fuck are you doing? Your brand new truck going to get totaled out. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, go for it, big dog. You got it. You got it. Look. Go, hit it. Punch it. Four-wheel drive, baby. That's fucking trucks floating through Western Avenue. Oh, man. We got some more. Who's coming? Nobody coming that way? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Do not, I repeat, do not come off of Straka in Western. It is a fucking lake. Look, he way up there. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. That was a lot of excitement really fast. I still got dough on the table. I'm bringing it to you live right now. Oh, my God. This fucking lightning is going to get me. Watch. Y'all going to see me get fucking electrocuted live on the motherfucking Facebook. This shit is crazy. I don't even know what time it is. All right, well, the rain stopped, but now we just got this whole ass. Anybody got a pontoon boat? Want to come rescue Heavy D? Shit. Fuck. I can't believe, Eddie, your car ain't going to make it, bro.
I don't know.
Look at this thing. The ZX2. Oh, shit. Here we go. Go ahead. Step up, champions. Let's see what you got. Hell yeah. Hit the gas. You're going to need more speed than that. You better turn it up, player. You're going to need more speed than that. Oh, shit. Here we go. Watch. His shit finna turn into a... you got a flotation device in that motherfucker? Oh, my God. Look, it's over. Oh, no. Oh, he's just going to sit at the... Oh, my God. Look at these people. Look at these. Y'all are crazy. What are you doing? It went over his hood. Oh, shit. Listen, I know the bar's just like, oh, my God. Oh, my God. Bro, what are you doing? Scuba Steve, stop. Oh, my God. Oh, shit. You guys are crazy, bro. Look. Oh, my God. Yeah. Look, he's smart. He said, man, fuck that. I'm out. I ain't doing that shit. Look at this guy. He said, fuck it. We'll just sit here. Are your feet getting wet? I think my feet are getting wet. Yep. I'm pretty sure they're wet now. Well, if they're not, they're about to get wet. There they go. Look at this guy. Oh, my God. This is fucking hilarious. You guys got to be kidding me, bro. Oh, my God. Look, he said, fuck it. I'm going to the corner store. Hell yeah, it is. That's what I'm saying. Look how deep it is. Your fog light. Oh shit, it's trying to tell me to stop recording the live, bro. No way. Everybody needs to get live on this shit. Yeah, I know. You hear everybody phone beeping? Yep, imminent. Flood warning. Southwestern Avenue. Do not come to Heavy D's Pizzeria unless you have a life jacket. Yeah, all that shit. The DoorDash tablet, everything. Holy shit, dude. That was like 6 foot of rain in like 2 seconds.
Oh, wow. That was out of nowhere.
Damn. Oh, this is crazy, bro. Yeah.
My little shit goes through that,
Yeah, man. Look, my little windometer over there is just dead in the water. Ain't nothing going on. Whatever that was just hit. Holy macaroni, bro. This. Damn. No, it ain't cold. It feels pretty good out here. I'm just not trying to get hit by this fucking lightning.
I want to see how flooded the Stockholm is.
Oh, it's bad. It's all the way up the block. Oh, shit, here goes another guy. Come on, Scuba Steve. Look. Hey, someone come look at this. Look at this. Hey, someone come look at this. Go ahead. Come on, big dog. You gotta have to go fast. Oh, look. Oh, no. Stop, bro. Turn around. What are you doing? No, you can't go that way either. Oh, shit. He said, fuck it. I'm just going to stop right in the middle. Just do a Buster Yui. Get out of there. Look. We got One Eye Willie here. Check him out. Come on, Willie. Hit the gas. Oh, shit. It's a fucking boat, cuz. Oh, my God. You guys are crazy. Hey, you're going to be live on HeavyDees.com. Hit me up. I got you, player.
Look, you can't even see the
Oh, my God.
the street, bro.
These people are... I know, it's flooded, bro. Look at this guy. Oh, there's another one. Well, no, he's turning around. This guy's smart. Look. No, fuck it. Hit it. Fuck it.
This guy's waiting on him.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there you go. Punch it. Oh, my God. What the fuck? Oh, yeah. Headlights under the water. Oh, my God. Bro, you got... Oh, shit. Oh, my God. What the fuck are you doing right now? Nissan Altima is a boat. Do. Don't even trip, Crip. We keep it pushing. We're going to keep it pushing tonight, baby. Look, they're hitting the back roads over here.
Oh, no. Please don't do it. Please, look at this one.
Look. Oh, no, it's a Miata. It's a convertible. That's a Benz. That's a Beamer. Listen up. Old Beamer. Yeah, turn around, bro. You definitely don't want none of this shit.
He could easily drop the rag top and it'd be a boat.
Oh, shit. That's about to be a pontoon. Oh, man.
Is it a rag top?
Yeah, it's a rag top. He got smart. He said, man, this shit look kind of deep. The water's literally up to, like, okay, so there's There's a gas meter right there. The water is above the curb, over the sidewalk on the gas meter. Man, I got dough on the table. I'm out here entertaining the masses. Shit, I need to be getting paid for this, man. It's free content. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. Yeah, turn around, player. Good job, bro. I don't know who you are, but Heavy D's, check me out. Don't come over here.
He is.
Oh, he coming this way. Okay, yeah, you can go around. Oh my God. Put him on the live.
I'm gonna tell him to go all the way down.
Yeah, where is it? Come on, man. There you go. There you go. Yeah, good job. Good job. You almost missed it. Oh shit. Here we go.
Go that way.
It's deep. It's deep. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh my God. They did it. They're gonna stop. It's a red light. They said, fuck the red light. Get his tag number. Oh my God. Hey, mate, somebody got a ski rope? Oh, give me a ski rope and a knee board. Let's get it.
What up, yo?
What up? We out here looking at, hey, don't go that way, bro. It's a whole ass river out here. Yeah. Definitely take the neighborhood route.
So, what'd you do on a Saturday at 1:30 in the morning?
Oh, time's going back a whole ass hour. We out here just, oh, look at this. Here's another one. Look, he going fast too. Oh, shit, he go. Oh, look. Oh, it's not that deep. It's not that deep. Turn around. Don't do it. Okay, it's up. Nope. Damn, you got lucky, player. Oh shit. Okay, it is going down. It is draining very slowly, but it is.
You can kind of see the curb coming alive over here.
Yeah. Oh man, it's good shit. All right, y'all, that's enough entertainment for me tonight. Y'all ain't paying me enough for standing here to almost get blasted by these 2,000 million votes. No, I need stars, bro. Send me. Uh-oh, hold on. Here we go. It's starting to rain again. It's starting to pick up a little bit. Look, you know it's deep whenever there's ripples. Look at that shit. It looks like Lake Thunderbird out here.
There's a tornado warning.
Only cleaner.
Is there? Yep. Tornado warning. Hey, man, where y'all? Come on, man. Y'all ain't gonna take care of your boy D. Where's the tornado warning shit? I ain't got no TVs on. Is that why it got all calm? Is there a tornado coming out? Look. Everybody out here. The people at the bar, look. Hey, so what the hell going on out here, man? Who yelling? Who the hell is yelling out here? I'm yelling. Oh, no, this guy's going way. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. You need a new engine. Yep, you're going to need a new engine. Just FYI, your engine runs on oil, not water. Just to let you know that. Oh, my God. This is awesome. Fucking love it.
Hi, Adam.
I know, right? I didn't get a
He said,
chance.
what up, player? Glad we got out there, Dre. Oh, yeah, y'all got out of here just in time.
Hell yeah. They don't know the turnaround, don't drown. I'm telling you.
All the new people are like, what the hell is going on?
What the hell? Damn, Dre, I'm glad you guys got out of here, man. I know it was probably a slow go all the way out. Oh, shit, there's another one. Is that a Tesla?
No.
I don't know what it is.
It's not a Tesla.
No, you can see it's going down now because it ain't even, it's still pretty fucking deep, God almighty. Oh, no. This guy's like, Jesus Christ. Yeah, put your hazards on. You definitely gonna need that. Oh, man. He said this is cleaner than Thunderbird. Hell yeah, it is. Yeah, it's a lot of water right there. Mr. Mustang, I don't know if you want to play with that. I know you probably still got a nice fat car payment on that motherfucker, boy. Nice. It's nice.
Chris said he smashed that tiramisu.
Oh, yeah. Bro, your car.
By Tinker and Sooner.
Oh, shit. That's pretty close by the crib, man.
Where's it at?
Tinker and Sooner?
Yeah,
that's...
Oh, shit.
What the calm is for?
Yeah, I think so, man. You know, us Oklahoma, we got our little Doppler radars in our back pocket right there. Uh-oh, he's coming in hot. Oh, no, he's coming in too hot. Oh, shit, bro, what the hell? Come on, man. Hit the gas, Scuba Steve. Oh, shit, he's ripping it. Oh, my God. Oh, shit. I'm going to be here all night, I swear to God.
How long has it been since you did a turnaround on drown?
It's been a long time, man.
At least like a year, right?
It's been a while.
I don't think
It's
we
been
did one last year.
No, we didn't get no rain like that. This is that flood type shit. We got hail just a minute ago. I'm claiming that shit. Hey, I need my boy JB Justin Brown from the roofing company to come check my roof. I got leaks at the pizza shop. You know what I'm saying? My damn Kodiak, my damn big truck done got beat to hell with the hail, man. This is terrible, guys. Uh-oh. Here we go. Hold on. They're coming in hot? Hell no. They're smart. Look, they're watching Heavy D's live right now. Shit. This Western instructor, this is where he told him go slow, man. Don't go through here. This shit deep.
The Jeep is turning.
Oh, shit. Uh-oh. No, they got their flashers.
No?
Nah, all right.
Good job.
Yeah, water is receding now. It's just down to the corner here. God dang. All right, guys. It was fun while it lasted. If it gets wild and crazy, like, I'm gonna go finish up this dough real quick for y'all tomorrow. We do have how many? We got five.
We have
five
left.
Turkey pies left. Y'all been killing it, and I'm just telling you right now, this if you ain't had one, you need to get one, because when they're gone, they're gone. I gotta clean my kitchen, guys. I got to.
And we still have giblet gravy left.
Yeah, giblet gravy. If you don't know what that is, I'm telling you, you've been sleeping under a rock.
Do you want to show them this?
What's that? Oh yeah, we can. Here, this is tacos. She's taking it home.
Taking it home.
Ooh. And I mean, you know what I'm saying? It's dark because we got the lights off, but that is, there's the gravy. More cranberry. Yeah. That's what it's all about right there. Creativity. But anyways, that's what we do. That's what it is right there. You seen it live action. Heavy D. Oh my God, we just missed it. We just missed it. That guy just totally KO'd his motor. Anyways. All right, I got to get on this dough. Guys, I'll see y'all tomorrow. If it still rain like this, guess what? You're going to get live entertainment for the next, 48 hours, because this intersection at Southwestern and Stracatares is a hoot. I'm telling you right now. And your boy might actually go get a life jacket and some little duck floaties, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to get out here in the rural. Oh, no. Listen.
He smashed.
Oh, no.
Where are you flying, though?
Boom! Oh, you stupid. What are you doing? They don't even, bro, they don't see it. They just don't see it. They just come ripping through here all drunk and just blast the front of their car off. Like, oh my God. Look at, oh yeah, go ahead, Mustang. Oh, it's already smoking, bro. You already got it up in the motor.
Oh, yep, you can see it coming off his headlights and out of the hood.
Look, he's trying to back up. He's like, do we go for it? Oh, it's squealing. Oh, it's squealing. Oh, you killed it, bro. No, don't do it. Oh, shit, fuck it. Just hit the gas. Oh, yeah. Fucking shit stain for the wall. He just cut that guy off. Watch it. Blue. Oh, you went through the deepest part. What are you doing?
Come on.
Oh, that was on purpose, bro. That was on purpose.
Is that a show for you?
I don't know. Is he pulling in here? What up, player? You on the live? Don't worry, I ain't gonna get you tagged. Just kidding. Honda Accord.
I think she was mad.
Oh yeah, she was super mad. Shit. All right, I'm serious. I gotta go down here. I'm never gonna get this dough done. I swear to God, this is just hilarious. Oh my God. All right, I love you guys. Listen, tune in, turn it up, man. It is a blast over here. You ain't even gotta watch it live on this phone. You could pull up, literally A001 Southwestern Avenue. You could pull up and watch this for yourself. I can't. Oh, there's another one. Oh my God. All right, yeah, I'm going in the back. This is ridiculous. Oh shit, Eddie over here like, what the fuck, bro? What are you doing? I don't know. Bro. I don't know. Okay, I love you guys. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow for sure. Turkey pies, I got 5 left. This looks like a truck with a trailer. He's finna be.
Got the little scoop of muffler.
Oh, okay. Yeah, little Land Rover, Range Rover, something like that. I don't know. Anyways, y'all get some rest. What are y'all doing awake watching me? Y'all go to bed. Y'all don't need to be watching all my shenanigans. Damn, there's another one.
It's Saturday night.
Oh, it is Saturday. And the bar's let out. No, not yet. It's one. And time's about to go back. Fuck, all right. I got to get out of here. Love you guys. Bye.